your host with the most, Plasma Sun. How's it going, guys? It is Saturday. It is 72 degrees outside, and I'm posting another video indoors. Why? I don't know. But anyways, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and all that stuff with this channel. It's gonna help me out a lot and to make this channel grow. And I want you guys there for that. So please and thank you. So today we're doing a MP7 highlight video. If you want the details on the guns, let me know in the comments below and I'll post it. But this MP7 I was playing with and I really enjoyed. And I got some great clips. I just want to share them with you guys. So if you could, like I said, leave a like and subscribe. And if you got any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Thank you.
Two fucking people, and you still drop shot and jump shot like a fucking queer, Plasma Sun.
Bro, why are you mad like a little bitch, dude? Just a game, get over it.
Bro, you literally made people rage quit because you're that much of a cunt. Like, how do you feel about yourself?
No, I'm just that good, dude. You just suck ass. Enjoy that W,
no, you're
man.
Not that good.